Welcome. Are you ready to learn a handy new trick for using the Messenger app on your PC? Today, we're diving into the latest update that allows you to send multiple videos in a single chat effortlessly. If you've ever wanted to share a bunch of videos with friends or family without the hassle of sending them one by one, you're in the right place. Let's break it down step by step. First, open the Messenger app on your PC. This is your gateway to connecting with your friends and sharing that amazing video content. Next, navigate to the conversation where you want to send those videos. Whether it's a family chat, a group of friends, or a colleague, ensure you're in the right spot. Once you've found the right conversation, go ahead and open it. You'll see the message interface where you can type your messages. But today, we're focusing on videos. Now, click on the photo icon or select Attach a File. This option is usually located at the bottom of the chat window. This will allow you to easily browse your files. After that, it's time to find the videos you want to send. Locate your chosen video files in your computer's directory. The exciting part, you can select multiple videos at once. So, click on each video you'd like to share, or hold down the Ctrl key to select a group. Once you've made your selection, click on Open. Now all that's left to do is hit Send. Voila! You've just shared multiple videos in a single go, making your communication more engaging and fluid. That's all for this quick guide on sending multiple videos on Messenger. Try it out and see how much easier it makes sharing moments with your loved ones.